Yesterday, I mentioned to you that I want to show you how I do the video with the subtitle using YouTube. So I've uploaded my video already. Let me just show you directly. Let me go to my channel. Let me see. I need to go to YouTube Studios. I've read it already, so you need to upload your own video first. Then what happened is that next I'll go over to transcriptions. Then this is the latest property I had. It's still, let me just click in. So you need to create, there is this, if you haven't done so, there's this thing called add. So you need to click this, subtitles. Then I think for you, there is one part that says create your own subtitles. So you need to go and do that. So for me, I've already done all my subtitles already. So let's say, for example, all these edits already. I've done all my editing, which part is which part and stuff like that. So once you are done already, what you do is that you save the changes, already, and then you go ahead and download. So what I do is that, let me go and download it. Give me a second. Where is it? Let me just press back. Okay, so this is it. So I click actions, then I'll download under the SRT folder. So I've downloaded this already. So next I will go to the VSDC. This is the one that Peng Jun recommended. Still quite slow. Okay, never mind. Let me open up a new project. Hey, what's happening? X new project. Then this is the day 3. Day 3, 30 blank project. Okay, finished. So day 3, let me drag and drop my entire video in. This is the entire video. So now I need to create my subtitle. What I do is that I go under this SUB. Then where's my, oh, wrong. Let me find where's my captions over here. Let me just paste my captions in first. Let me just cancel again. Let me just redo again. Captions. Then I have it under day 3. My done. Captions. So this is the captions that I have. Okay, then I press OK. Then next I will just highlight this entire thing. Okay, then I want to put it, make it centralized. Where's the centralized? Oh, I'm also quite lost. Never mind. Let me just edit the font size first. I click this button. I will make it bigger, slightly bigger. Oh, it's too big. Because my width is quite small this time. Let me in between 32. I think it's still too big. Perhaps 30 can reach. 30 is fine. Then this one, I will align central and vertical line top. Okay, that's it. So this will be it already. So as you can see, once you start playing, this is scale. Then they'll change as they go, because I've already done it in the YouTube site already. All this perfect timing. So once I download the captions, they will follow the entire timing itself already. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you. So I'm going to post my video soon. See you. Goodbye.